Hey everyone, what's going on? Today's video, I want to share with you all how to pair, set up, or connect the JBL 5 Bluetooth speaker with a Windows 10 computer or a laptop. Now keep in mind, make sure your Bluetooth adapter is actually working, or else there's a chance you just may not be able to connect the Flip 5. So to get things started, there's a power button right there across from the word Flip 5. You'll press it once, it's a single press. And then right after that, you're going to single press the Bluetooth pairing button right there. And then once you press that once, you'll hear a tone sound play twice. I erased the audio, the original audio for this video, so that I won't cause a distraction. But you'll hear a tone sound play twice from the speaker. Then next up, you'll go to the startup menu, click on settings, the gear icon settings, and you'll see this window shows up, and you'll go to where it says devices. And when you go there, you'll see that on and off switch. So if it's there and if it's available, that means you have a working Bluetooth adapter. So you just click on it once, it'll turn on, and then you'll click on where it says add Bluetooth or other device. Click on that once, and the very first option, it says Bluetooth, you're gonna click on that. And once you click on that, it'll start searching for nearby devices. You'll see those little blue dots to the top going across, depending on the theme. And wait for JBL Flip 5 to show up. If you see anything else, don't click on it yet. Wait for JBL Flip 5 to show up. And once you click on it, it'll say connecting, and then it'll tell you your device is ready to go. Now, depending on which Windows 10 version you have, sometimes to the bottom right, it'll say that they're setting up your device and wait. And if that shows up, just wait for it until it says your device is ready to use. But other than that, once you get to the part that says connected music, it means you're good to go. And to know if the audio will be coming out of the JBL Flip 5 speaker, you click on the volume icon to the bottom, and if you see JBL Flip 5 stereo, that means the sound is coming out from the speaker. And you can test it out by toggling or adjusting the volume. You'll hear the sound coming from the speaker, and that means you're pretty much good to go. And other than that, if this guide was helpful, please do leave me a like, share it, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.